Hello. A red box, that's me, MARIEMUR. I got this parcel with some goodies inside, and I have to say, seriously, it's so nice that they still do these boxes. Like, I really appreciate when the brands stick to that, because some of them, and they get a bit more popular, they just go for a cheaper alternatives, and this is just so nice. And a red box, you know, I love red, so what can be better? Well, maybe this was inside. And first of all, I got some stockings. It's my first stockings, I think, from MARIEMUR, and they are basically a fishnet stockings, but with PVC top, which is great because I don't have anything like this. I do have a fishnet stockings, but not with the PVC top, which actually holds up. That's really cool. So we'll have this, and besides that we have two sets of lingerie, which I have to say, they both so incredible. They have this PVC and fishnet on it, and a lot of straps, which I absolutely love, with some gold detailing. That's the panties for this set. Very small, very minimalistic, just how we like it. And the other set is also with PVC. It kind of also gives this a leather look, and with the mesh material. And obviously matching panties, and oh my god, with these panties I'm even more obsessed. They are perfection.